Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and project manager, Sunshine Resources. At Sunshine Resources, we pride ourselves in teaching skills and skill acquisition capable of turning people into entrepreneurs. On our YouTube channel, for example, we have dozens and dozens of videos packed with high value skills. We have also developed several ebooks that can guide you professionally. And so if you're new to this channel, I strongly suggest you click on the subscription button so that you get posted of all our videos and resources each time we upload them. I've also dropped link to our YouTube channel and website, and also link to how you can access and download our ebooks in the description box below this video. Now this is 2022 and we have started the new year with a new video format. In a short while, I will unveil the catalog of our new video format. But before then, I want to use this moment to wish all our subscribers and viewers a happy new year 2022. We at Sunshine Resources see 2022 as a year of more creativity and to keep you inspiring to want to become an entrepreneur. Our desire is to wake up that entrepreneurship spirit in you. We will also help you discover and develop your God-given talent and gift. On that note, we have come up with a video series, The Entrepreneurs. The video series is to prepare our viewers and subscribers for an entrepreneurship journey. Along the line, we will also include other areas of entrepreneurship, such as digital entrepreneurship, through acquiring digital skills. We will also introduce you to concept of creativity, talent hunt, and product creation. In due course, we will also come up with exciting interviews with entrepreneurs of our time in order to maintain the motivational tempo. But in today's video, we will be unboxing the Sunshine Resources YouTube Silver Award, having reached a milestone of 100,000 subscribers a few weeks ago. Let's unbox this award to see what we have inside. Wow, this is beautiful. The letter to Sunshine Resources, some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far you have gone. Okay, this is wonderful. Congratulations on your subscribers milestone. Thank you very much, YouTube. Now this is the award. Let's see. This is the award. Wonderful. Wonderful. This is beautiful. Wow. It's like a mirror. I could see myself inside. Thank you very much, YouTube, for giving us this wonderful award. This award is dedicated to Almighty God for His provision and His duration all through these years. Now, this award came just a few days to Christmas and it contributed to the joy and merriment of the season. In due course, I will explain to you how the Sunshine Resources YouTube channel started. Just to let you know that God created each and every one of us with talents, gift, and potential, and that all you should do at the early stage of your life is to discover these potentials. Like I always say, every human being came into this world with his or her curriculum. Finding out that curriculum is your primary assignment. Wale Adenuga, a popular TV presenter, would always say, we are nothing but pencils in the hand of the Creator. Just like I said earlier, this award is dedicated to our God in heaven. Now, just like I said earlier, this is a video series, The Entrepreneur. In the next video edition, we will be talking about unemployment in Nigeria. The video is going to be like a letter to all the parents in Nigeria, because it is a very, very important matter to talk about. Unemployment is a very slow and steady whip of mass destruction. According to reliable statistics, over 40% of our youthful population are unemployed. Unemployment is dealing with our youth. So what are we going to do about it? Do we just fold our hands and watch unemployment destroy the life and destinies of our youth? There is hardly any home you go to in Nigeria, you don't find a young graduate sitting down at home doing nothing. As parents, don't we think that that is our responsibility to make sure that these children of ours are productive to this nation? So in the next video, that is what we're going to be talking about. Until then, thank you very much for watching and God bless you. Bye bye.